And hello everyone. It's so hot today.
Imagine living in Malaysia without a fan. That would be very uncomfortable.
These simple devices help us every day, but what actually makes it spin? We are Group 1 and today we will explain how magnetism is applied in an electric fan. But first, we will introduce ourselves.
Hi, my name is Nur Aini binti Zulkifli.
Hi, my name is Wana Haris binti Abdul Halim. Hi, my name is Nizah Zira binti Abdul Talib.
Hi, my name is Norma Sarah binti Arif Fazli. In the first part, I will be talking about the role and the functions of the magnetic components. Inside the electric fan, there is a motor which contains coils of wire and permanent magnets. When electric current flows through the coils, it produces a magnetic field. So this process is called electromagnetism. The coils become electromagnets and interact with the permanent magnets inside the motor. So the role of the magnetism is to produce a magnetic forces. The function of these magnetic forces is to cause movement in the motor, which then rotates the fan blades. As the coils turn, the motor rotates, and this motion is transferred to the fan blades. Magnetic flux is also important because it represents the strength of the magnetic field. A stronger magnetic field produces a stronger force, which increases the speed and efficiency of the fan.
Now, let's discuss about the importance of magnetism. Magnetism is not just important, it is fundamental to the functionality of the electric fan. It is responsible for producing the magnetic force that allows the motor to operate and generate continuous motion. Without magnetism, there would be no interaction between the components inside the motor and no movement would occur at all. In terms of efficiency, magnetism allows energy to be transferred smoothly from electrical energy into mechanical motion. A well-designed magnetic system reduces energy loss, minimizes heat production, and ensures that the fan operates quietly and efficiently. This is why electrical fans can run for long hours using relatively low electrical energy. The strength and stability of the magnetic field directly influence how fast and how smoothly the fan rotates. Therefore, magnetism plays a key role not only in making the fan work, but also in improving its performance, durability, and energy efficiency.
So next, what will happen if the magnetism fails inside the device? If magnetism is weakened or fails, the performance of the fan will be affected immediately. A weaker magnetic field produces less force, causing slower rotation and reduced airflow. If magnetism is completely absent, the motor will stop functioning entirely. This shows that magnetism is essential not only for operation but also for maintaining consistent performance. Beyond the electric fan, magnetism plays a crucial role in many modern technologies. It is used in electric motors, generators, medical devices, transportation systems, and even data storage. Without magnetism, many of the technologies we depend on today would not exist. In our daily life, magnetism supports comfort, productivity, and technological advancement. This highlights how an invisible force can have a powerful and widespread impact on human activities and modern industry. Understanding magnetism allows us to design more efficient devices and continue improving the technology that shapes our world. We can also observe the effect of magnetism by changing the fan speed. At a lower speed, less current flows, producing a weaker magnetic field and slower motion. At a higher speed, more current flows, creating a stronger magnetic field and faster rotation. This shows how magnetic force directly affects the performance of the fan.
In Islam, seeking knowledge is highly encouraged. Allah says in Surah Al-Alaq verse 1 that means, read in the name of your Lord who created. This teaches us to explore and understand the world around us. Through Aqli knowledge, we learn scientific concepts like magnetism. And through Naqli knowledge, you understand that those natural laws are created by Allah. The electric fence is an example of how knowledge can be used to benefit humanity and improve our daily life. Therefore, learning physics helps us to appreciate both science and our faith. In conclusion, magnetism plays a vital role in the operation of an electric fan. It produces the force needed for motion, affects the speed and efficiency, and ensures the device works properly. Without magnetism, the fan will not function at all. Last but not least, that's all from us, and thank you for watching!